Senator wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi nararitire ntumiri yawe mbere ya mbunge ya Meru ari senator nararataririe mantu katumba yegi utumiri bothu kubwa mbeca cia Meru gikuki sniper naromba Meru kuyeka minister urimi na Deithia mithikale nture Kadhuri Nkuluki na arugire bama pakathuye tumi wondi mwite kuona maendeleo ntubunga nikiuta tena watho wa thirikari cia makaunti.
The Honorable Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru, the Right Honorable Ayubu Mudi.
Kuringana na watho seneta netikiritwe kwithira kiarira kia mbunge ya kaunti raumite na oro seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi na arethire akiuka kiakanya kagia na kwariria mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru kire mantu mwanya mwanya. Kadhuri kirwarerokie na arethire akiweta mantu nkabo yarethirite igakia mbere ya senate kenda kuthiria mathina yarethera yakioneka yagiotongeria ate mangabana na nini bo ethira kinya kiareke mantu ekuritamira maukuni ya kwetanirwo na mbugita amwe na kinya mpithukiro che maitha monkeni ya kaunti ya Meru na Isiolo.
The incessant banditry attacks along the Meru Isiolo border in the constituencies of Tigania East, Tigania West, Igembe North and Igembe Central is characterized by loss of lives, injuries, the disappearance of hunts of cattle and destruction of property have created an atmosphere of terror and untold suffering. The lawlessness has disrupted access to basic needs such as education and health and continues to hurt the development in these regions. On the 27th of February 2024, I rose on the floor of the Senate to call for swift, comprehensive and sustainable action from the relevant agencies.
Edra gita na mbere na kumeneria murandi wa MTF na kuwa kone kurita mbeche Meru na kinyato ngithia rwanyiro gima akiuga irulitete bonene.
The county government, according to my observation, has failed to demonstrate zeal and vigor in the fight against cancer and providing quality health care to the people of Meru. I am to visit some of our health facilities, and it is apparent that most of them are either non-functional or are not optimally functional due to inadequate staffing and the unavailability of the most basic drugs.
Nongelete na kuwa na kenerete buramne nde budget ya Meru ekudire kibangana kwa mbunge uya kaunti ya Meru akiwa inawitikio ntobu kaguna Meru na kongela kwena gitumi kyantaira chia kinende kudire kyura kwa kenda ukiria arimi barabo edera bakionekane baingi muno kathetune kamu Meru.
I therefore urge the county government to spearhead the adoption of technology in the agriculture sector, especially in the marketing segment, to eliminate brokers who reap huge fees at the expense of the meager income of the farmers, which has made farming less lucrative.
Kirimanto yegyo tumiri bombeche che mwingine njirete agirite seneta Kadhuri uwete omuntu na batire okamata mudharaba yokie akiwa baraba kuringanithwa na wamba bombeche che mwingi iba batire kudira baitarakia ina kukwongo badirite baichikakia.
The county executive of Meru is faced with poor record keeping, evidenced by the unsupported expenditure queries, poor budget execution, failure to comply with the law on fiscal responsibilities, non-compliance with the Public Procurement and Assets Disposal Act 2015, and non-compliance with the Public Finance Management Act 2012 and its regulations. On our part, the Senate will invite the governor to appear before its watchdog committee, the Public Accounts Committee, County Public Accounts Committee, to respond to the audit queries raised by the Office of the Auditor General. Kids that as the 1st of March 2024, which is the first half of the financial year, the Meru County Government Departments average absorption of development expenditure was at 20.2%. That is half year. Departments such as agriculture, which is the backbone of Meru County, recorded not only unsatisfactory, but also an acceptable performance of 18.9%. This budget underperformance is detrimental to service delivery and puts the county on the brink of an economic precipice.
na batongeria mwanya bethira nindi bakioneka kuyeka mbaru ugambi bwa seneta u
akwa address thina cia Meru cionthe na ingwitikia Meru bakuigua na kinya thirikari yetu ya county ikuigua uria tutura kuuga mantu jara senetaria na twinde turi antu ba oversight kwa inkwenda kuria thirikari ya county ya Meru ijuke oversight seriously na barekebishe njira iu batete barungike barabara kenda tuba Meru bakona service
kwa kuwa mantu ya MTF yari ya gucokia Meru na nyuma na itonete nya president na wete mantu ya MTF yarekana nayo
cha MTF ira inguge mwaka jotete kuthira jo thirikari na barabara cietu Meru cionthe ni thuki aria contractors batiro nguge nenkerwa MTF ambaye tuomba gwita ngwende na account ya Meru thiria nontu mbure yegekia tugita October mbure kuraga na batethira bathiretie nguge na istoshe June mwaka jo thirikari yo kuthira na mwaka jo thirikari jo athira no monga mbechi rondo kaireke budget no tukiga chi pending so barabara ira cha Meru chi imbecha through MTF igatura ikario
MTF chethiria barabara chiatigira nusu na wo ndingi itaringithwa jawonyo keja guta gwakwa nara kwari gwikirwa ndarasa gutekirwa mura mjutekirwa antu thaici kaba kurathina na tubathithiretie budget 5.1 million ira chieterekire MTF so itukwira wananchi thaici bakara kumira bandamana ugatiga mwananchi utiga mheshimiwa wenyuma twete no twitwa kurukirie mbecha kenda buthithirwo barabara na nande barabara ni thuki kunthe na batu twende buthithirwo barabara ende mbecha igwita kire MTF ibukona thaici uramiro yonde yete toto mes uti muntu kumba kwa Sis Market kana skuru kana kinya kanisa
MTF ne changite kuntu kunene muno ikwitha uti mbecha igusacurate Meru yetu mbecha iria 370 something million ya chikitoke national government ichetere na kwa itikuthiurunka Meru ikikuona Meru twina thina nyingi
Imana Garia Siasa Kirendeto Cheweru.